Welcome back. So today we're going to talk about diphthong EI. All right, so let's go through this. So diphthongs occur when an unstressed I, U, or Y ending appears next to another vowel in the same syllable. Their vowel sounds do not change, but they blend together to form a single syllable. One such vowel combination "ei" or "ey" word ending is pronounced like the "ai" in the English word "say", except that it is a somewhat shorter sound. Note that when there is a written accent over the letter "I", the diphthong is broken and the two vowels are pronounced separately. So let's just try to recap here. Okay, so we have um, so 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 diphthongs occur when an unstressed I, U, or Y ending appears next to another vowel in the same syllable. The sounds do not change, but they blend together to form a single syllable. So one such combination is EI, which you're going to look at, or EY word ending is pronounced like the AI in the English word say, except that it's somewhat shorter sound. So, when there is a written accent over the letter I, the diphthong is broken and two vowels are pronounced separately. So, this is, I think, like for the last sentence, it's just similar to what I saw for diphthong AI. Like if you have a written accent, if a written accent or letter I, the two vowel sounds are pronounced separately. Um, all right, so let's go through some examples and see.
Listen to the following words. They all contain the EI diphthong. Seis, seis, seis,
All right, so obviously there's no written accent over I, and this is an EI combination, which is say is pronounced like the AY in the English word say. Okay, um,
seis,
so it says,
seis,
says,
seis, seis,
says,
20,
20.
20,
So it looks like we're doing numbers now. So we did 6, now we're doing 20. So it says 20,
30, 30,
30, 30.
Reina, reina,
Reina, queen. This is more like a trilling R, which we mentioned earlier. A reina, reina. Uh,
ley,
lay, law.
rey,
Rey, king.
Listen and repeat. Concentrate on combining the two vowels into a single syllable in the manner of the native speakers. Seis,
6,
20,
20,
30,
30.
reina,
Reina,
ley,
ley,
rey,
rey.
Since these words have a written accent over the letter I, the diphthong is broken and the two vowels are pronounced separately. Deísmo,
So we have a written accent or the letter I, and by definition, they will be pronounced separately. The vowel sounds will be pronounced separately and not blended together. So this will be deísmo, which means right,
deísmo, deísmo,
deísmo,
reír,
right, reír,
reír,
reír, to laugh.
sonreír,
Son, son,
sonreír,
son, sonreír, sonreír, to smile.
freír,
Freír, to fry.
leíble,
Leíble, legible.
increíble,
Increíble
increíble,
means incredible.
Listen and repeat. Every other word has a diphthong.
Okay.
seis,
And seis.
seis,
Okay.
reír,
Reír.
20,
20.
sonreír,
Sonreír.
30,
30.
deísmo,
Deísmo.
reina,
Reina, queen.
increíble,
Increíble.
ley,
Ley.
freír,
Freír.
rey,
Rey.
leíble,
Leíble. So this is the last one. Just repeat it one more time.
leíble.
Leíble. Alright, folks. So it looks like we have completed the exercise for diphthong EI. So to recap, so we have EI or EY combination. It's pronounced like the AY in the English word say, right? And if you have an accent or the letter I, the vowels are pronounced separately. So on the next video, I'll be looking at consonant G. So until then, see you next time.